and it will be prompted to this very platform. Here you can sign in with your email and password if you have any, if you have signed up before. If you have not signed up, you can go ahead and use your Google account. You can use your Google account, or you can use your Apple ID as well to log in and sign up to this very platform. But for today, I'm going to use one of my Google accounts. Let me sign in. I'll meet you on the other side. Now you have three options when you want to start using Notion. You can use it for your team, you can use it for personal use, and you can use it for school, whichever one you want. But for a start, for a small business, and for someone who is using the free version of it, I recommend you can go for the personal use. Okay, write better, think more clearly, stay organized. So you can go with the personal version. Mind you, by selecting personal doesn't mean you cannot invite team members to work together with them, or doesn't mean you cannot upscale and increase the number of collaborators that you have here. You can do all that as you grow in your business. So to start, let's go with personal use. We select it and then we can just go ahead and click on continue. Now you can tell us more about yourself. We'll customize your Notion experience based on your choice. These are some very basic questions you can answer. What kind of work do you do? For example, you can also say, I can just select anything. For example, I can say engineering, and you can say, what's your role? I'm using Notion just for myself, for example, and then what are you planning to do with in Notion? You can say document editing and sharing, no, wiki, knowledge base, okay, comparing goals, personal role, note taking. Okay, so I want to use it for this as my personal note taking app. So you can just select this, and all these you will be able to, they can help you, or they can help them organize your notes, your Notion platform for you. But if you don't want to select all this, you can go ahead and skip it and start afresh from a generic point of view. But for now, let's go with this small selection. You can choose accordingly as you so wish. All right, so this prompts us to the first page, which is the welcoming page, which is the starting page. So this is the main Notion platform.